Hey guys, so today is going to be a declutter and organize my kids and my wardrobe too. But I'm going to start off with my wardrobe, and I'm only doing the top part of my wardrobe. And also I am decluttering some of my bags because some of them I basically just haven't used in quite a while. And the top part of my wardrobe is seriously messy, so I was like, let's just organize this because seriously it was irritating me. Now here you're seeing I'm decluttering clothes in my ottoman. So I keep all like the clean clothes that I need to iron inside my ottoman. I'm just going through the clean clothes and seeing like what clothes that are, you know, we haven't like worn in quite a while, and yeah, just to declutter them and so that other people can find use for them basically. Now I am moving on to my son's part of the wardrobe, and again I am decluttering clothes that he doesn't need, clothes that don't fit him anymore. And also I bought these baskets, you would have remembered in my Poundland haul, these baskets, and I said in the haul that I'm going to use them to organize some of his clothes. And afterwards the result was so satisfying, you guys. Then I moved into my daughter's room, and I just needed to declutter her shoes because she has so much shoes, as you can see, but they don't all fit her. So yeah, it was time to declutter. And after decluttering, I'm telling you guys, she was left with 4 pairs of shoes, which is good, which means I'm going shopping for new shoes for her. And lastly, I had a pile of ironing that I needed to get through, and yeah, I got through that, and then it was just time to just organize it and pull it back into the wardrobe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick declutter and organize video. It might be short, but you guys get the point. It's satisfying after when you declutter and organize, you guys.